Here the question says, question number 4, a pear costs X cent and an orange costs Y cents less than a pear. Pear represent X cent, then orange can be Y cents less than a pear. That means X minus Y. Now the question says find the cost of 4 pear. So what will be the total cost? So total cost will be 4 pears, 4 pears plus half a dozen. We know that 1 dozen represent actually 12 pieces. 12 pieces. So half a dozen will be 6 pieces. Very simple. So 6 oranges. Okay. Now 4 pears. 4 pears represent, we can say in this way, 4 multiplied by. What is the cost of a pear? Cost of a pear is X. So 4X plus. What is the cost of oranges? X minus Y. So 6 multiplied by X minus Y. Now do the calculation. 4X plus 6 multiplied by X, 6X minus 6Y. So 4X plus 6. So 4X plus 6X will be 10X. Now do the calculation. You will get 10X minus 6Y cents. Now question number 5. Devi bought 7 skirts at X dollar each. N skirts at $12 each, 2N plus 1 skirts at $15 each, and 4 skirts at $3X each. Find the total cost of the skirts she bought. What will be the total cost? So if cost of 1 skirt is X, then cost of 7 skirt will be 7 multiplied by X. Just we need to do the multiplication. So here 7X plus N multiplied by 12 because cost of 1 skirt is 12. So cost of N skirt will be 12N plus 2N plus 1 into 15. 2N plus 1 into 15 plus 4 skirts at 3X. So 4 multiplied by 3X. Now solve. 7X plus 12N plus 15 to the 30N plus 15 plus 4 3s are 12X. Now add them. 7X plus 12X will be 19X. 12 plus 30 will be 42N plus 15. So this is the total amount. Okay.